Hello everyone, my name is Madhumita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you my new home's room tour and the home tour. Let's get started. So this is the lift area from which we entered and then we walk towards our new home, and this is how you can see the passage area over here. So from here we come and we are seeing the most magnificent view of this particular area. We can see the entire skyline from here. And then we are entering in our home. And I love the fact that there are so green plants in the entire passage. So yeah, just walking from here, entering the house. Hello, hi, and we both present to you our house, and we both have worked very hard to make this house our home. Right now I'm standing in the balcony of my home and it's really beautiful. It's a very spacious balcony, as you can see. Now let me give you the home tour of our living room. So this room that you can see right here is called as the living room. So let's start with this. Obviously we have our TV over here and then a proper TV cabinet below. You know, there is a lot of storage area. We can keep our things. This is our, set-top box which we have kept over here. And then we have very comfortable seating areas. These are leather sofas. It's highly comfortable and very soft. So, I can just sit down here, have our conversation, have our evening tea and really enjoy. And over here as well, this is, the sofa seating, and do not miss the table. This is the centerpiece table with cute marbles kept over here. Very useful. And yeah, so this is where this was the door from where we entered. Going towards the dining area. Let me just switch on some lights so that it's helpful for you all to see it. So guys, now we are entering towards our dining area, which it's attached from our hall, from the living room. So we enter from here, and this is where our dining table is. So beautiful, so nice. So in our dining table, we have the most necessary things, that are glass, water glasses, some spoons, forks, and a water bottle over here. So, entire family can actually sit down and have some food, dinner, lunch over here together. So, though there are only 4 chairs that are kept over here, but obviously this dining table is quite huge. You can actually accommodate 6 to 8 people in one go. So yeah, and the best part about this dining table area is the mirror. I love this, and look at the size of the mirror. It's so huge. I can see myself. Obviously, I love mirrors. So yeah, this it's attached besides the dining table. And if you see the mirror, it's actually giving an illusion of enlarging the room. This dining area room is actually a little small, but because of this mirror attached here, it's giving us a feel that the room has been enlarged. So this was the dining area. Now let's go forward. Oh, one more part about the dining room which I was just about to forget. It is the wash basin. Obviously, in our home, we have wash basins inside the bathrooms. But apart from that, we have another wash basin which is separate from the bathroom. So even after eating food, we can just directly come here and just wash our hands, and there is a towel kept here for everyone's understanding. And there is another mirror. As I told you, I love mirror, and this home has so many mirrors which makes our life easier. Entering the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Okay, we get ACs, cupboards, and once again, as I told you, love for mirrors. Just have a view from here. And we also get attached bathrooms, showers, and washrooms. So very, very spacious. Okay guys, now we are entering the main master bedroom area. So from here, obviously this is the door, so we come here and this is our master bedroom. There is a small chair which was there, we can just sit, relax, and yeah. So this is where obviously in the night we come to take rest. And over here, this is my work table which I usually use whenever I have to work on my laptop while laying on the bed. So yeah. And then there are two cupboards which are very, very spacious. Right now I'm not showing what is inside the cupboard because we have just shifted, so we have not properly organized things in the cupboard. But do not worry, I'll definitely come with a cupboard too. And guys, here, if you can see, there is another huge mirror with drawers over here. There are 3 drawers that we get. And as you know, there is an attached bathroom over here with the proper facilities and shower and a lot of other things. So yeah, shower area and everything. It's a huge bathroom. It becomes very easy to stay over here. So this was our master bedroom. Let's go to our next bedroom. Wow, this is a bedroom with the balcony, and here there is the most amazing place, the mandir, the temple home. And it has attached balcony. And there is a chair here. So guys, now we are entering to the next bedroom of our home. It's a bedroom which has attached balcony. So from here we enter, and this is our another second bedroom, you can say. And as we enter, over here there is another mirror. I'll try and show you. Yes, you can see there is another mirror over here. So yeah, it becomes very, very easy. And if you can see behind me, there is a cupboard over here, and obviously the bed. So from here, the most important part about this bedroom is that we have the mandir, the temple home over here, where we can do our regular pujas. And yeah, this bedroom has that sense of calmness. And then this is the attached balcony. As you can see from here, I'm just entering inside the balcony, and you can see this is the balcony. Now we are going to another bedroom. It's not a bedroom, but just a spare room. So guys, till now I have covered 2 bedrooms, okay? One bedroom which had attached bathroom and one bedroom which had attached balcony. Right now we are entering to our 3rd bedroom, but fortunately we have not kept any kind of bed here. We are going to create this room as our studio. So let's have a look. As you enter this room, you get a huge sunlight coming from this particular window. And yeah, as you can see, we have carpets over here with very, very beautiful seating arrangement. So this room is specifically for chilling, recording, creating content and just normally having things over here. And we have deliberately not kept any huge furnitures or thing like that because we didn't want to ruin this room by keeping a lot of things. So that there should be one room in your house where you have a lot of empty space so that you can just have your own time here. So this is that room. And this is another bathroom. Another bathroom. Let's go to the kitchen area. This is our kitchen with a lot of amenities. There is a grill. So guys, now we are entering towards the kitchen area of our home. Surprisingly, we have a very large kitchen. I mean, I never expected the kitchen would be so large, but luckily we got that. We have a huge sink and we have a huge working panel where we can cut vegetables, make roti. We have a 4-tire gas over here with automated and self-cleaning chimney. Very, very important for the people who knows how difficult it gets to clean chimneys. And yeah, there are 2 windows also. These windows are attached directly besides the gas. So obviously chimney is there and the window is there, which helps the air to get out quite easily. And this is a very small area where we have kept all our important things like gas lighter, roti makers and stuff like that. And we have the microwave, the grill and stuff like that, and the fridge obviously. And then this is a section where we have all the masalas kept and all the daily things kept. And in the kitchen, I mean, even the kitchen cabinets are quite good. So things like we have these kind of things over here, and yeah, all these kinds of cabinets which has a lot of space to keep plates, kadhais, cups and a lot of utensils which will ensure that all our utensils are kept properly. So this is our kitchen. I hope you liked it. Washing machine area. So, and this is the washing machine area. Guys, I hope you liked our home tour. It's a very, very big, massive home for us, and we really, really enjoy being over here, enjoy spending time over here. I have covered all the 3 rooms, including the living room, 3 bedrooms, dining room, kitchen, washing room areas, 2 bathrooms. So yeah, I hope you liked the home tour. And guys, one very, very important part that I wanted to tell you. The purpose of showing the room tour is only to show you that with so much of difficulty we have built this. It's not come easy. This video does not promote any kind of show off or anything stuff like that. This is only to tell you so much of difficulty and the hard work we have got to make this home, and that is the reason to make this video, just to share our happiness along with you guys. And trust me, there is no thing of any kind of show off and stuff like that. Why? Because I understand the importance of a home. I have always wanted a good home. So that is why I can relate with you guys who would be watching our video and seeing, oh my god, she's just showing off her home. No guys, that's not the case. I myself understand the importance of home, because home is a place where you come, relax and think about your career, about your family. So a good, pleasant home is always very important in everyone's life. So that is the purpose of this video, just to share happiness with you all. You all are like my family, and that is what I am doing. I really hope you like my video, and if you do, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Tata, bye bye. Just giving you all a room tour the last time, and yeah, non-stop room tour.